Good morning mga seamen. Welcome back to the channel. Dito tayo ngayon sa I think this is Little Talbot, Big Talbot. We're gonna go hang out with Hey Skipper today and try to catch some fish. So that's the plan. Park opens at 8 a.m. closes at sundown. 7 o'clock na. Oh, beautiful morning, guys. Beautiful morning. Already a guy fishing over there. We're gonna go over here to the left where last time we hooked on the big one but got cut off. Dinala natin ang good luck charm for Hey Skipper this morning. Hopefully we catch a big one. Monster fish. Let me give you a hand, bro. Yan na. Lipad na siya.
Watch it. doohickeys too.
Nice. Father, thank you. I'm gonna take this PI with me, bro.
To where?
Philippines.
Oh, nice. Do it. Here
Couple of weeks. Couple of weeks. We'll give him out.
You're going in a couple of weeks?
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So for a month, I got a kite surfing comp over there.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
That's in October.
Yep. So we're gonna see, but we're gonna use this up north in North Shore though. They got some big fish over there.
Good luck.
We'll hook up with some local fishermen that watches your channel.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Give them one of those too.
Yeah, definitely.
One of those.
So you guys heard it, man. Papamigay natin to. We're gonna give it to some of the local fishermen there that watches Hey Skipper's channel. There you go, guys. Nakalibre tayo.
Crystal, tingnan mo! Pretty, so tignan natin! O, di ba may durian yan? Ayaw mo yan eh.
Saka di ba may allergy ka dyan?
Ano ba kayo? Hayaan nyo na, sayang eh, libre! Tingnan siya. Kasi...
Okay, let's go see what we can catch. Oras na 7:50. Aray ko. Get a live one?
If you get a live one, let's fly it out.
Okay. Bluefish or whatever?
Bluefish is perfect. Every time I fly a big bluefish out, I get a big shark.
Okay. Bluefish. Brand! Nakahuli agad tayo. We got live bait, guys. Huh? Yeah.
Oh yeah.
There you go. Yes, baby.
That's what we need. That's what we need.
Oh, we got bait for B.
Heck yeah. All right, hold up. Let me get my drone.
That's how you catch a bluefish, guys. Woo! Told you, we brought the luck, the good luck charm. Ito na. Yung gagamitin natin. Hell yeah!
Yeah.
Bluefish.
First cast too.
Yeah. Sayang, lulutuin ko sana to. Oh, we need pliers.
Pliers?
Let me get. Blue pit. There you go. Teamwork makes the dream works, baby. Give a shout out to all the Pinoys out there in the world. Like what they always say, Japan, Canada, kamusta po kayo? There you go. Oh yeah.
Live bait fish.
Oh yeah.
Played out right away, huh?
Yeah. Using a micro jig. I know these guys are hunting those mullets there, right in front of that.
Yeah,
So
big tons of mullet.
there you go.
There we go. Just keep it in the water for a second. Yeah. I'll pull it with the big rod.
Manghuli pa tayo. Let's catch some more.
Yeah, catch some more. Do you have another life jig?
I do. I got a lot.
Yeah, can I borrow one?
Yeah, they're right there in the truck. Yep. All right, let's see what we can get in again. This micro jig ain't no joke, man. I'm telling you. I learned this in the Philippines. Those Filipino guys showing me how to fish, man. The anglers over there. So I'm looking for this right here. Ito yung hinanap ko. Dito dumadaan yung mga isda eh. So malamang hinihintay nila yung mga bait fish dito. Yung malalaking isda. Nandun na si ano. Tinapakan ko pa. Natapakan ko pa yung ano. That only catch me lunch. 7:55. Ayun na yung ano, malaking isda. Pain. He's gonna send that very far out. Oh, bite! Woo! Right there, bro. Hey! We got. What? Oh, yes! Bro, we can eat that! Nice! Bro, that is huge! Look at this! That's big, bro.
Yeah, let's get another one out there.
Yeah. Oh, there you go. Unexpected. Look at that. That's good size. Got him.
Got it. What do you want to do with it?
Eat 'em, right?
We're gonna eat them. Jack nuggets. Oh yeah, they got one. Kahuli na naman si Brendon. That's a jack. Another jack possible. Huh?
Oh, look that way.
Oh! That's the lucky hook? Yeah, buddy.
On.
Oh, double hookup. There you go.
Oh, maybe it's a shark.
Pop's got one. Skipper's got one. What do you think that is? Shark?
I don't know.
Still a hookup.
You got something?
Yeah, he's got something on too. Badass, bro.
Oh, I see it in the surf.
You see it? my net down, help out Skip. Yeah.
Oh yeah. Here.
Oh yeah?
Let it. Take your time. Let it swim in here, okay?
Oh damn.
I'm gonna get some.
Oh, dude. Oh yeah, guys. Oh my God. He's swimming this way. Alright, he's fine. Oh, I see him. Might be like a big giant bull red or something. I see the fins. Oh. Might be a bull red, bro.
Is it?
Yeah. Oh wait, there he is. Oh yeah. There he is. He's fighting. There he is. I see, huh?
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Come on, baby. Oh, he's pulling drag. Nice and slow. Oh, he's got one too. Awesome.
Where is it at?
Where is he?
Move over this way.
This way.
Move over this way.
There he is, right there. See him? Ha! Yeah! Come on. It's that lucky hook. There he is. He's coming in. Is it a tarpon? Oh, there he is. See him?
Walk towards it.
Ah, he's going out. No! You will stay here. Oh my God. He's pulling.
Alright, you wanna go lasso him? Put this on his tail and pull him in?
Sure. Hey, you wanna fight him?
Yeah, I wanna fight him a little bit.
Okay, here.
Strong, huh?
I'm just gonna grab him.
Put it around his tail and pull him in.
Alright. This is dangerous. Okay, we got the lasso. That got my arm tired.
Yeah, step over that line.
Oh yeah.
Under.
We got a lasso.
There we go. Oh my God. What is that? It's a bull red.
Is it? Is it a bull red?
No, it's not. It's not.
It's a shark. Oh, he's upside down.
You're on the line, you're on the line.
Oh, you got him on his thing. Oh,
Okay, careful. Hold on. Let it get in the circle a little more.
You grab his tail.
I don't want it to turn around and bite you.
I'm gonna bite him back. I'm gonna hold it and you grab him. Here, let him bite you.
I'm gonna land it without it.
Okay. Let me get this line.
There we go.
Oh, he's got attacked by something. Here, I'll hold the pole. Oh no, come on, buddy. Watch out, watch your legs. Just grab him. There you go. Watch your feet. There you go. Just right his nose.
There's a line right here.
Yeah, that's.
From this one over there.
Alright.
He's a baby.
It's a little bang, big one.
You can't bring it up too far.
Okay, right here, just right here. Can you bring it to me? Can you bring me that?
You gonna tag him?
No, I'm not even gonna tag this one.
Oh, yeah.
It's not big enough. I mean, it is, but I'm not wasting my tag on this little guy.
You want me to just hold his head?
No,
I can.
it's out, it's out.
Oh, show it off real quick. Show me the teeth.
Show him the teeth.
Look at that.
You gotta kiss him.
Kiss him right on the lip.
That's something big biting right there.
Something big,
Yeah, like
did it right here.
there,
See
like that.
that? You want to get a quick measurement?
Pauwi na tayo ngayon. Pa-low tide na. Oh. I gotta go through the car wash. Get this washed up under curry. Oh, natin to. Thank you guys for watching again. You know, there's other millions of channels out there on YouTube, and you guys decided to come check mine out, so I really appreciate that. If you haven't done so, you could hook a brother up by subscribing, like, and share, so we can get new subscribers on the channel. It's just a motivation for me to keep doing these videos, even though we're not getting a lot of hits with the algorithm and all. But you know, there's always hope. There's always hope for everything. Sino to? Si Ray Ray? Let's see. That is Ray Ray. Tingnan nga natin to. Si Ray Ray nga to, oh. Ayun. Ayun ang dalawa. Ayun ang dalawa. Naglalakwatsa. Aha. Laquachero. Man, while we're talking. Hey, let's see. Let's get off this. Oh, what you got, Ray? Kala.
Shark!
Bro, nangingitim ka na. Nakahuli na ng pating, oh. Puro pating na huli, eh.
That's it, man.
Ayan, oh.
Oh, man, he went to it.
Yan.
Yeah, let me get my flyers.
Yeah.
Sharp teeth.
Oh, yeah.
Damn, boy.
Akala ko kung ano na
Oh,
huli.
man, I thought that was a trout.
Yeah. That's good, man. Ito mag-asawa na to, oh. Fishing life. Muntik na maano, oh. Kala. That was good. That was a good one.
Not bad.
We caught a 5-footer over there on the other side.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
it's a good one.
And then Miguel lost his drone in the water.
Oh, did he found it?
I hooked it.
Oh,
It
nice.
got stuck on my ano. Kaya lang nabasa.
Oh yeah.
Papakita ko sa ano sa video.
Just
Sayang.
oh shit. Tapakan mo. Yeah. I don't want to stick my finger in his gills, but
Just do it.
you gotta do what you gotta do, man.
Yeah,
Try
man.
to get rid of it ASAP.
You got it.
God
There
damn
you
it. God damn it, I got this damn flyers. You got any more flyers there, boy? I got the travel flyers. I didn't
Yeah.
take the big one. Oh yeah, I got it
Sarap
now.
yan, adobo.
Yeah.
Pwede ba kayo ninyo?
Oh yeah.
Pwede yan. Pwede kayo. Sa Pilipinas
Walang size, size limit.
Depende
Damn
kung
it.
anong klaseng shark. But yeah, there you go.
Look like
Good
a-
job, Ray.
What is it, black tip
Mm.
shark?
Oh, kalawin natin.
Yeah, buddy.
Bye, Sharky.
Oh, he's gonna turn around and bite me.
I know, right?
You little buddy.
There we go. Hey.
Hey, good buddy.
There you go.
There it is.
Hey, yes, he's gone. Good job, bro.
Yeah, you got a little footage right there.
So yeah, we're having fun. Uwi na muna ako. And his wife fishing. Uwi na tayo ngayon. Maybe catch a shark. Everybody's catching them. Ayan tayo. Yan, every time you go to the beach, man, it rushes out your vehicle. So, kailangan na mahugas muna natin. We need to do the under. Kailangan yung ilalim din mahugasan eh. I hope my mirror didn't break. That would suck. Alright, nakauwi din tayo. So, wala naman scratch. We gotta check for scratches. Kasi, minsan yung ano na yun. Yung nangyari dyan.